Allow me to introduce you to the Creating Your Budget process. There are 3 steps in the journey, and I want to give you this overview of the tools, how to use them, when to use them. So the first step is to track all of your expenses and your income for 30 days. We do this in the Tracking Register worksheet. And why do we do 30 days? Well, it's because this gives you a true picture of what typically happens each month. And it provides you actual numbers for you to create your real budget with. This gives you an accurate and realistic budget starting place for you to move into the second step. Now, the second step is to take what you've tracked and to place that into the Create Your Budget worksheet. Tracking worksheet, Create Your Budget worksheet. So first, this new sheet provides a clear picture of all your income and all your spending from 30 days. It literally lines it out. Then it has a spending guideline. It actually takes what you've been spending for 30 days and compares it to a guideline so that you can build your final column, which is where you actually write out your plan moving forward. And once you create this plan, you've created your budget. The third step is to transfer all of this into the yearly budget tool. This form allows you to manage all your income and your expenses for the entire year. It's comprehensive, it's easy to use, and because it's easy, it makes it more likely that you will walk it out every single day. Every time you go to make a financial decision, you have the opportunity to make an informed and in control decision based on wisdom. We made it as easy as possible by providing the tools and the instructional videos for each step, and we hope that you'll use these to create and live on a budget that will allow you to achieve and walk in financial freedom and in peace.